We've come out of an 87-hour war, and I think this is, we're very clear that we want to be defined by our own story. Chairman Bilawal is leading one of the most active and powerful delegations to diplomatically engage through New York, multilateralism, bilateralism, and it's going through several countries, as you know. And it's an exhaustive schedule. You're seeing us all rotating. I'm going to the Hill while other colleagues are speaking. This is happening through the day, and it's happening now every day. We're spreading out to restore Pakistan's narrative. It's not just narrative, but to tell our story about our reality, and it's happening. Pakistan is now not going to be defined by terrorism or war. If India chooses to do that, that is India's own obsession with perpetual war. We don't like to see perpetual war. We are looking for perpetual peace. We are looking for sustainable dialogue. We're looking for the Indus Waters Treaty to be restored. There is no provision in the law for this treaty being put in abeyance, and we see attacks on water, weaponization of water as an act of war. But we are invested in creating paths to stabilization and peace. That is our mission.
As you said,